Hi friends, so I have such an exciting video planned today. Oh, my nails are ugly. So I always get so excited whenever storms come because it's just like new and interesting and like kind of makes everything a little bit more fun. I know it's not like safe for storms to happen, so I'm praying for everybody that has to be like out in it and drive. I wanted to make a winter storm vlog because it's supposed to snow. We're supposed to get like 8 to 12 inches of snow plus like 3 inches of ice, which is the scary part. So I'm not going to be going outside, but I wanted to vlog like what it's like when it snows really bad at IU, which is where I go to college, go to Indiana University. I'm actually a residential assistant here, so I'm like the RA of one of the buildings and like one of the floors. It's going to be really interesting to catch you guys up on like what's been happening on campus. Yesterday it was 60 degrees, literally 60 degrees. Today it's like 40. Tomorrow it's supposed to be like low 30s, and we're supposed to get so much snow. So there's a winter advisory out. IU never cancels classes because that's just not how they roll, but 2 of my classes tomorrow are already moved to Zoom, if that tells you anything. I only have 1 more class that needs to be moved to Zoom, or I'm gonna have to go on a trek outside. So I hope the only time I have to go outside tomorrow is like to go sledding with my RA friends. I think we're gonna go sledding if it's safe outside, obviously. But it's supposed to snow tonight and it's supposed to snow all day tomorrow. So just to like catch you guys up on like what it looks like outside, just like normal. It's not like no snow on the ground, obviously. I am just chilling in my room. I'm getting all my homework done and trying to study and like catch up on some stuff, but I wanted to start the vlog now with like it not being snowy. My mom is actually coming up to bring me chili. She's coming up to like run some supplies to us before like the storm comes, and I'm just like, I don't know, I get so like giddy when like winter storms or like thunderstorms. I just like, oh, that is everything that I wanted to tell you guys. I'm just so excited. I will update you guys either tonight when it starts snowing or tomorrow. I don't know when it's gonna like actually start. To give you guys a little rundown, winter storm warning. And then here's like the outlook for the next around 9-10 p.m. it's gonna drop, and then it's gonna turn into snow. Get hype with me.
Doing okay? In the snowstorm that didn't quite happen yet. I'm still waiting for the big snow to happen.
So I'm on my first Zoom class of the day, but it didn't even really snow, so I'm sad, but apparently it's coming, so hopefully this isn't a flop vlog. It snowed a little bit. Hopefully snowing some more. I'm gonna do my Zoom this morning, and hopefully it'll snow more the next time I see you.
Rid of kinetic drift. That's the problem. It has to be a close
Update on the snow. It's getting there. All of my classes got moved to Zoom, so that's really good. I'm about to make some iced coffee, even though it's literally a snowstorm outside. I love my iced coffee, so I'm gonna make some of that. And I was thinking, like, what am I gonna eat for lunch? And I remembered my mom got me chili. Today I'm gonna eat some chili. I really don't feel good. I'm on my period, which sucks, but yeah, I just do not feel good. I just took like the best shower of my life. Felt amazing, but I just don't feel good right now, so hoping, like, I took 4 ibuprofen, so hopefully I feel better soon. It just sucks, but okay. I'm gonna make some iced coffee, drink that, and then I'll eat the chili separately because I do have some boundaries with myself, because that's just not 2 things I can mix. But yes, I'm gonna make some coffee. So I made my chili. I'm gonna have it with some cheese and crackers, and I love noodles in my chili. Here is the snow situation so far. A little bit more than this morning, but still unimpressed. But I'm going to be playing Animal Crossing while I eat. A little winter activity day. I have class in like an hour, so probably have to get on that soon. So yeah, I am in so much pain. I have class in 15 minutes. I'm dying, but yeah, what a fun little vlog. Snow update. Kind of windy. Update on the snow. It's snowing so much now. It's crazy. Like, you can't even see the grass anymore. I'm gonna set you guys up for a time lapse while I prepare for my next Zoom. It's my last Zoom of the day. Oh my gosh, I feel bad for that person. But I'm gonna set you guys up in a time lapse so you guys can watch the snow. snow on the ground. Kind of have to pee. I might go pee really fast before I go because that'd be silly to have to pee. Oh my gosh. Look how much snow. I'm kind of a wimp with the snow though, because I'm like, oh, it's so pretty, but then like the whole time I'm out here, I'm gonna be like, because I hate when it gets like in my shirt. Yeah, not my vibe. But my friends are making a fort in the courtyard, so I'm going to go meet them. I'll show you guys their fort. Daphne. No.
I'm an architect.
Right. Two. Are you ready?
No.
Ellie, you're going so fast.
This is a fit.
Like, try to spin if you can. Yeah. Woo. Alright. Time to get my gloves back on.
I'm ready. He made that! You should be proud! It's so cold!
Zoom in.
Yeah, it hurts! Isn't that where you're getting space?
Yeah, it hurts. Honestly, we could just play like right out here.
Oh no, good fail.
You got it, Daphne. Woo! And I get a video.
Are we so happy, you guys?
Yeah.
Grace!
It's cold out here. So cold.
I love driving. So I'm just really upset because I've been teaching to drive for the past year or not. He's like, I'm the only one left, so he was doing
Just
whatever
imagine
was
you saying that and then hearing 2 shots of vodka.
Yeah, very.
Okay, go.
Reveal.
Not enough, Ben.
Oh,
Maybe put this little thing on here.
I had a bunch
Definitely,
of
it
friends.
is,
Yeah,